Hey guys, I'm Miuccamatics and welcome back to my YouTube channel Miuccamatics. If you like math related videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today I'll be doing the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole square. Now a plus b plus c the whole square is basically a plus b plus c times a plus b plus c. Now using distributive property, it is a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c. Now if we open the brackets again, we get a square plus ab plus ac plus ba plus b square plus bc plus ca plus cb plus c square. Now if we group like terms, we basically get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. AB is equal to BA, BC is equal to CB and CA is equal to AC by commutative property. So the order doesn't matter. Now A plus B plus C the whole square is similar to how we did A plus B the whole square. So we can group any two terms together and combine it as one term. And we can use x plus y the whole square expression. So x plus y the whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now again we get a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And if we open this bracket, we get 2ac plus 2bc plus c square. And if we rearrange this, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This order can be remembered using this figure. So twice of AB plus twice of BC plus twice of CA.